Okay, here we go with word problem. Multiply the LCM of 12 and 16 by 1/3. The first thing to do here is to find the LCM of 12 and 16. Let's find that. We have 12 and 16. We are going to use the first prime number that can divide either 12 or 16, or that can divide both of them. 2 can divide 12 6 times. It can divide 16 8 times. In other words, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2, 8. 2 can also divide 6 3 times. In 8, 4. 2 can divide 4 but not 3. So we bring down 3, then 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 can divide 2 but not 3. Bring down 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Lastly, 3, 1, 1. So this is where we end the continuous division because we've gotten to the minimum, which is 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 3, 48. It implies that the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. But this is not what we were asked to find. The question is that we should multiply the LCM of 12 and 16 by 1/3. Since we now have the LCM of 12 and 16, we now go further to multiply it by 1/3. That will be 48 times 1/3, which is 1 over 3. This is the same as 48 over 1 times 1 over 3. 3 in 3 is 1. 3 in 48, 16. What we have left is 16 times 1 over 1 times 1. Finally, 16 times 1 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. Now 16 divided by 1 is 16. It implies that 16 is the answer to the question, obtained by multiplying the LCM of 12 and 16, which is 48, by 1/3.